In this video, we're going to talk about the best water fountains for your home, garden, or patio, based entirely on what real people actually need. Whether you're looking to create a relaxing vibe in your bedroom, upgrade your outdoor space with something decorative and soothing, or just want a compact fountain to help you focus and unwind, there's something here for everyone. Some of these are perfect for small spaces like desks or nightstands, while others are made to be bold, eye-catching centerpieces in a backyard or porch. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick, or if you already own one of these. Tell us how it's working for you. All right, let's get started. At number 5, the SERBILHOME 5-tier outdoor water fountain is a great choice if you're trying to create a wow factor in your yard or on a large patio. This fountain stands at nearly 47 inches tall and has a modern, artistic design with 5 wide bowls, stacked so water gently flows from top to bottom. That continuous sound of cascading water feels like a tiny, private waterfall in your own space. What's nice is that it's built with a horseshoe-shaped base, which keeps it super stable even when there's wind or rain. The material is resin, which looks like stone but is lighter and weather-resistant, so it won't rust or crack easily. It comes with built-in warm LED lights, so when it gets dark, it glows softly and becomes even more relaxing. People who've bought this love how it makes their garden feel like a luxury spa. If you've got a larger outdoor space and want a tall, modern waterfall fountain with lights that really stands out, this is a solid pick. At number 4, the SunJet 4-tier Cascading fountain is another great option for the outdoors, especially if you want something that's both tall and decorative, with natural stone-like texture. It's 50.7 inches tall, so it's ideal for gardens, open patios, or yards that need a focal point. It's made of weatherproof resin and has a very realistic stone look, but with none of the heavy weight or maintenance. It's resistant to rust and fading, so it stays looking good over time. This fountain also comes with built-in LED lights, which give a soft glow after sunset. It runs quietly with an included pump. Just plug it in and you'll get that peaceful trickling sound that drowns out street noise or neighborhood sounds. It's great if you want an elegant outdoor garden water fountain that helps you unwind and works well both during the day and especially in the evening when the lights reflect off the flowing water. At number 3, the Sunlinua 5-tier Rock Waterfall fountain brings a completely different vibe. While the first two fountains are more modern and vertical, this one has a wider, rock-inspired natural design. It measures 37 inches long and about 21 inches high, so it spreads out more than it towers up. It's a good choice if you want something that blends into your landscaping or matches a natural garden theme. What's really nice here is the realistic rock texture made from tough resin and fiberglass. It can handle rain, wind, or direct sunlight without any trouble. The fountain includes golden LED lights that glow warmly in the evening and highlight the water as it trickles down all 5 rock levels. The sound of the water is soft, like a natural stream, and the included pump lets you adjust the water speed to your liking. This fountain is ideal if you're creating a relaxing backyard zone or decorating a porch, especially if you want something that looks organic and blends into nature. And if you're a pet owner, the wide low tiers are perfect for curious cats or dogs who love to sip from the fountain. At number 2, the Chillscreamni 4-tier modern outdoor fountain gives you the best of both worlds. A compact vertical design that works indoors or outdoors with a sleek, minimal look. It stands just over 39 inches tall and has 4 square levels, where water gently spills down from one to the next. The design is very clean and modern, a good match for balconies, small patios, apartment gardens, or even a corner of your living room. This fountain is made from fade-resistant and weatherproof resin, so it handles sunlight and rain without breaking down. It also has built-in lights to create a calm atmosphere at night. This isn't the loudest fountain, but that's the point. It's meant for people who want a soft, meditative water sound, not something loud or dramatic. It works especially well in smaller spaces where a giant fountain wouldn't fit, but where you still want that calming, Zen-inspired water feature look. It's also very pet-friendly, and many people say their cats love watching or drinking from it. If you want a versatile water fountain with lights that can work indoors or outdoors, and you don't want to take up too much room, this one's a smart pick. And finally, at number 1, we have the most popular option of all, the Homedics Tabletop water fountain. This one is small, just over 8 inches tall. but it's a favorite for people who want something simple, easy, and relaxing. It's a compact tabletop indoor fountain that fits perfectly on a desk, nightstand, bookshelf, or meditation altar. The 3 tiny tiers let water trickle gently downward, and it includes natural river rocks and soft lighting that give it a peaceful, nature-inspired look. The sound is very gentle, like a small stream, and many people use it to relax, meditate, or fall asleep. You just plug it in, and the built-in pump keeps the water flowing. This is especially great for people who live in apartments or shared spaces and want something to reduce stress, block out noise, or create a calming atmosphere for sleep, yoga, or work. At under $40, it's also the most budget-friendly and beginner-friendly water fountain on this list. So, which water fountain is right for you? If you've got a big backyard or patio and want a bold feature that impresses and relaxes, go for the tall SERBILHOME or SunJet fountains. If you prefer something more natural-looking, like a real rock waterfall, the Sunlinua one will blend into your garden beautifully. If you need a modern design that fits in tighter spaces or works both indoors and outdoors, the Chillscreamni fountain is a great middle ground option. And if you're just starting out or want something to help with sleep, focus, or meditation indoors, the Homedics tabletop fountain is the easiest and most affordable choice. Whatever you choose, these trending water fountains all bring beauty, calm, and peaceful sound to your space, making your home, garden, or office feel like your own little oasis.